Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to paint a Pichwai painting. I am painting it on a wooden tray and I have given the dark blue background to the tray. Normally tray's color is brown, but I have given dark blue background. I have drawn a simple design, a cow and lotuses and lotus leaf. I hope you will like the tutorial. So we'll start with the centerpiece first. Okay, I am going to use this aquamarine color. This is actually not aquamarine, aqua blue. Okay, and I'll paint it. It's Fevicryl's aqua blue. I'll paint the cow's surroundings with this. We learned in previous class how to draw the cow and how to draw the lotuses. So you all can use that knowledge and draw the cow of your choice. I want you to make your own design. Don't copy anyone's design, just make your own design. This is acrylic paint. If you are painting on canvas, then please give a coat of gesso before you start or any other primer. It will make your surface smooth. Better to make Pichwai on a very smooth surface because Pichwai has so much fine work that it's very important to have smooth surface. The first coat is over. We'll wait for this to dry. In the meantime, we'll start working on the cow. So I will use 000 number brush. This is the crimson red. We have to take very less paint in our brush because drawing is really very fine. So this is my brush. I'm making horns. This is the jewelry part. Let's complete this much first. Once everything will dry, then we'll give outline with black paint. See, I'm taking very little paint. Now, I'm going to draw the outline of these petals. As I always tell everyone, I keep soap water with me and always keep on washing the brushes with soap water. Now I want to show you this part, how I have done the background. So for background, I have taken this shade. It's a different shade of blue. You can take any shade. I have mixed two shades actually, aquamarine and this actually I mixed 3-4 colors and made. So I also don't know what name to give. Now with this, I'm using the dark color. So my background is not same color everywhere. Somewhere it is light, somewhere it is dark, like here. And as some of you were here, you must have seen I was doing the background once again. So once we finish the painting, then we have to give one more coat again. Now I'll start the work with red paint and yellow paint. This is yellow and this is red. We are working on the cow. We'll make the eye in the end. This is the jewelry. Whenever you want to apply gold paint, please make sure you're giving first coat of yellow. Then you apply gold. Because very soon gold becomes black. This is not actual gold leaf which we are using. So this gold paint becomes black in 2-3 months only. So it's when it is coated on the top of yellow, then it will not turn black. Okay, this much we have done. Now there's no place to make the hand or any such design. So what we can do, we can just draw swastika. So I'm going to use red paint. Now designing here. If you don't have gold paint, you can leave it like this also. Our cow is ready. Now we'll start with orange and yellow. Okay, so this is yellow and this is orange. I'm going to do shading here. Okay. Now second brush. Start from the bottom and mix it. Okay. See, lower side is yellow, upper side is orange, and outline is red. I'll show you here once again. We gave a coating of yellow. We have extended it till here. Okay. Now I'll bring orange paint from top. So like this, our pattern will go. See, I'm taking yellow color from the bottom and bringing orange color from the top. And then both should be merged together. We may have to draw outline once again. But this mixing should be very nice. Gradual mixing. Okay, so it will go like this. I'll start showing you the leaves and flowers. Because it's a big project, so we cannot finish it in one class. I'll make the eye. This is my black paint. Very, very little paint. Our cow's eye is ready. Okay, our cow is ready. Now our next step is flower and leaf. So first let me start with the leaf. For the leaf I'm using dark green. I'll be using yellow. I'll be using very, very dark green. Actually, it is black mix with this green. Then this is all our Fabicryls colors except this. And one is pearl green. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 6 colors we are going to use in one leaf. So let me start with this green. Next is this. See, I'm mixing these two. We are using this green now. Now it's turn for this green and shading on one side. Now the darkest one in which I have mixed little bit of black. Use little bit of light green in between because our background is dark. Now this green, I'll have to clean my brush before I start the darkest green. Now please bring down this shade little bit. After 1 minute you do because color will take time to settle down. Now we will use little yellow because we are going to use gold paint. So like here we have, this is my gold paint and this is yellow. Okay, I use yellow and gold together. Now this side, yellow and gold mix. We have to wait for this to settle down. Then once again we'll take dark green color and we'll draw the outline. In the meantime, we are going to paint the flower. Please close the lids of your paint bottles as soon as you finish the work. Otherwise, paint will dry and it will be a real wastage. Okay. Now, let's come to, this is mauve color. This is dark pink, very dark pink. And white already I have given, and I'm going to use this light pink. Okay, I'll be using white in between. So mainly these are three colors. So first coat is light pink. I'll give a coat here also. You get this pink color ready-made in the market. If you don't have, take white paint and mix a drop of red and a drop of purple in it. You will get this color. Now all the stem will have green color. Here, now I'm going to give darkest green one more coat. It has settled little bit, so now we can give. So this is darkest green, and on the top of this I'm going to give some touch up with gold paint. We have to use yellow along with gold. See, we have used 6 shades of green, but you can see all 6 are visible. Okay, again, we are coming back to flower. So in the flower, now base is dry. I'm going to use this mauve color and bring the shading only from the top. Now once again we have to take the light color paint, and mix it. And we will leave it for 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. By the time it will settle down. So now this flower, again dark pink or mauve color. Now third one. I'll take light pink and I will try to mix these two. Okay. Now these three shades are slowly getting settled. After these three shades get settled, we will come to the darkest one. This is our darkest one. So I have to clean my brush and I have to take this darkest one, and now please see carefully. Similarly here. Now in Pichwai, we have to give a touch of gold here. So I'm going to use golden yellow and gold. I'm going to mix gold with golden yellow. Once again, I think we have to give gold touch here. Touch of gold, sorry. Now in the bow, wherever we use yellow, we are applying gold color. So our design will be like this. We have to give another coat of paint once this layer is dry. And here also, now this is little bit dry, so I'm standing and I'm covering with the gold. Gold will absorb the pink color. Again, this is yellow plus gold, not only gold. Mix in a bottle yellow and gold. More of gold, very less of yellow. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe my YouTube channel, Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.